The time since when internet came into existence and with the growth of World Wide Web, various websites came from where we started emailing, we started chatting with our friends, and then further it converted into blogging, then microblogging and social networking. And today we see that whether we are talking about as a user on our PCs, in our laptops, on our mobiles, smartphones, we are having various kind of gadgets using which through various applications we are like almost connected with the internet 24 into 7, and it's like we are addicted to it. Sometimes it is said that yes, individuals are addicted to internet for their own use. Like a child, he is thinking of playing games on internet. Like an youngster, he is trying to make good friends and he is trying to communicate with more and more peoples across the globe through social networking site. For educationists, for other peoples, they are thinking of writing blogs and to make their thought reach to millions of people on a single click. But from all the aspects if we see, then this growth of internet has provided various kind of businesses also. Initially when you see that yes, Gmail was the facility like where we used to send our mails, and today we are having various facilities like it's Yahoo, it's Outlook, and every company is like competing with each other in the healthy way, but the benefit is directly going to get or like availed by the users. But out of this, if you see only one social networking site, the concept which I would like to share with you right now is that on Facebook, we are very honest. Like Facebook asks us to fill the form when we join it. We can remember that whenever even we are applying for any kind of educational courses, we are going to applying for a competitive exams, we mostly misses various kind of fields. Oh, I don't want to fill this, I don't want to fill this, oh, they will do this, they will do that. Because when somehow when we receive some kind of applicants application form, we see that yes, few fields he has submitted, few fields he has filled, and few fields he has left. Like the who will check it will definitely fill it by his own. At that time we are reluctant, but while using social networking sites like Facebook is asking millions of questions to us, hundreds of questions to us, and as a very obedient and honest students, we always answer every question. The questions are being asked in different patterns. It can be direct subjective question, it can be fill in the blank, it can be fill in the box, it can be multiple choice questions, it can be of radio buttons and all. And honestly we try to give answers at worst possible manner, not only by us but we spread it to our friends also. So like within a second and within a minute, that particular question is getting faced by various peoples across the world. And the way we are inputting the data, so that input of our data is working as a projective data. Because in psychology we see to analyze an individual, to analyze an individual personality, his thinking, his thoughts, his patterns, his ambitions, what he demands, we have various projective techniques. So today I see then firstly the questionnaires were the only projective techniques where you used to put the answers, and like those questionnaires will move from one place to another place. The person is not knowing you, the person is not knowing you personally, but the answers which you have ticked in your questionnaire will speak that what kind of personality that person is having. There was a limitation, but today in this age of internet, we see that through social networking sites, when various companies like Facebook is what Facebook is a mask behind which the intentions or the investments of various big business houses are there. If they want to do a survey related to books, they ask you that which is your favorite book, which book you study right now. If they want to do the survey of movies, they see which is what are your favorite movies, which movie you have seen last time, share with your friends. You see that, oh, I am sharing with my friends, but you are not only sharing with your friends, rather you are just giving this information to those data centers who will get the value of each and every information. If any company want to do any survey, so they use the social networking medium, they use Facebook. And today we are on a, like the change in business you can see. There was a time when survey people used to come door to door and they just try to request us, please give us this information, because information is the most valuable thing. Information is today value added information. People are adding value. Value means money. If they are giving you the information, definitely they will ask you to pay it. If you are, there was a time when you used to ask your friend, oh, I want to buy a bike. He used to suggest you that buy this kind of bike, this and that. You just go and you have like bought the bike. But today, if you are even buying the bike, you go to Google, you try to search for various kinds of designs, various kind of facilities for the bike, and for your every click you are somehow paying, because this cost is getting added to the advertisement section of that particular brand, and that brand is charging you for that through that product. So information is value added, and on the end of the users are not sincere for their own self, users are not sincere about their career, but in Facebook they are very sincere. Whatever the questions will come to them, they will answer them at midnight by 2 p.m, 2 a.m, okay, and like late in the night, if they are even slept, they will get up, oh, new question came, that which book you like the most. They will put the answers, and all the answers will somehow go to the data centers, and the data center uses to like Facebook as a tool of projective data collection, and through which they get some data projections related to millions of individuals in a single click. So be aware. It is I think you must have heard about it before also, but now what I'm going to tell you is more important. Even the way we say that what is going on in our mind. So when I share my innovative ideas, I share my view, I share my innovations on my status, that status is simply getting shared to the peoples. Again I say that when people are seeing that status, they are not getting that much attention, they are not grabbing that much things out of that. But I do feel that it is a case of idea theft, where the thieves of ideas are sitting and they are just trying to snatch that idea. They are trying to steal that idea, and they will definitely do it and present it their own way, because they are simply like grabbing your mind. They are attracting you towards them. They are attracting you towards them because today we are see that people are not having time that they can even share innovative ideas with others. Like no one else will ask that what new is going on in your mind. But if these social networking sites are saying what's new in your mind, what you are doing these days, status update and all, so through which by your own experiences, without taking any charge from that social networking site, you are sharing with others, and your idea is getting tapped. So again I would like to say that use your social networking time very efficiently. It's not like if you are using in that manner, then just like a movement can generate where we can ask the social networking site what, why, for what you are charging us. You are giving us this facility. Like even the inventor of the social networking must have thought, never have thought that this kind of technical creation which I am doing will like come up with a new innovative business model where investment is negligible now, and like from everywhere it is coming more and more money is coming, because valued information is being sold, new innovative ideas are coming on those ideas, various kind of new things are being made. So for free we are providing it to the social networking site, and they are using it. So at least we could ask that, oh, if I am maintaining my status, if I am like updating my status regularly, social networking site are bound to pay me, because I am sharing my original views to them. So for everything, like for the data which they used to gather from like sending peoples to various doors and all, today they are getting audios, videos, sound, images, everything at their data centers, and people are working selflessly. Just take this video, just take this audio, just take this image, just take this idea. Like we can say that yes, we all are like social, doing social service on social networking sites, but be aware of it. Use your social networking time efficiently and smartly, and use your discriminatory wisdom, because without that, then a day will come when things will be going to be changed.